Hello everyone, this is episode 9 of Python problem solving series where we will solve 10 Python problems involving dictionaries, Lambda functions and real-world mini project logic. These problems are great for coding interviews and practical projects. Let's get started. Question number 1 is count frequency of each character. We have to use the dictionary to count character frequency and then the get function for simplifies arithmetic counts. So the code will be text equal to should be given as Python programming and frequency should be empty first. For character in text dot replace and frequency of character should be frequency dot get character of 0 plus 1 that should print the frequency. And the next question is filter even numbers using lambda. So we have to combine both filter function and lambda that should select the elements based on a condition, and then this is will be the functional programming style in Python. So here numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and even numbers should be list of filters of lambda of x should be x modulo division of 2 should be 0. That should print the numbers and that should lastly print the even numbers. The next question is square numbers using lambda plus pair. So we combine both lambda and wrap function that applies operation to every element in a list. Here numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4 and square should be list map of lambda of x multiply with x exponential of 2. That's the numbers and that should print the square numbers. And the next question is given more dictionaries and some common keys. So we have to combine keys from both dictionary and some values for common keys. Here is the dictionary 1 and dictionary 2 are given. And more should be k of dictionary 1 at k of 0 plus dictionary 2 of get k of 0 for k in set of dictionary 1 and set of dictionary 2. That should print the merged dictionary and some common key. The next question is find maximum value in dictionary. Here we have to use the maximum function with key equal to scores dot get that returns the key with the highest value. Here is the scores it given and topper should be maximum of scores of k equal to scores dot get that should print the top scorer. The next question is function to check Armstrong number. We have to use the sum function and least compression simplifies for calculation. Here is the def is Armstrong n and return of n equal to sum integer of d and exponential of 3 for d in string, and that should print the is Armstrong of 153. The next question is mini project and that is student grade dictionary. Here students name and their marks is given and their grade should be defined by if statements. So we have to use dictionary comparison to assign grades and based on marks. This is the real world grading logic. The next question is sort dictionary by value where the scores are given and the sorted score should be dictionary of sorted of scores items and key equal to lambda of x should be x plus x of 1. Reverse should be true. That should print the sorted scores. So sorted function plus lambda sort the dictionary by value. This is useful in ranking or leaderboard problems. The next question is filter dictionary by value using lambda. So we have to use the filter function and lambda that allows condition based dictionary filtering. Here the scores is given and the high score will be dict of filter of lambda of x of 1 greater than equal to 90. That should scores the items. That should print the high scores. And the last mini project is find most frequent word. So we have to combine both dictionary and max function to find the most common word. This will be the practical for text analysis project. Here is a test is given, Python is fun and Python is easy, and word should be text of split and frequency should be empty first for word in words. Frequency of word should be frequency dot get word of 0 plus 1 and most of frequency should be maximum of frequency and key equal to frequency dot get. That should print the most frequent word. So in this episode we solved dictionary, lambda and mini project problems using character and word frequency, filter and map with lambda, merge and sort dictionaries, mini projects like student grades and text analysis. These are perfect for projects, coding interviews and real-world Python practice. If you want episode 10 where we will solve advanced loop patterns and mixed problems, comment episode 2. Like, share and subscribe to continue mastering Python problem solving series. See you in the next one. Till then keep coding, keep creating.